What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cook hard-boiled eggs in 8 minutes in the Ninja cooker. The way we're going to do this, you're going to be using pressure. So in only 1 cup of water. Unbelievable. And the time is unbelievable also. 8 minutes to cook eggs. Shoot, your water ain't even hot in 8 minutes on the stove. All right, this is how you do it. You get your eggs, put them in your cooker. You get your water, 1 cup of water, a little over. You see what I'm talking about. Like I said before, who listens to recipes? And you get your lid, line it up, turn that bad boy on, seal it up, get on your power. Pressure, 8 minutes, guys. 8 freaking minutes. All right, guys, give me time for the pressure to build plus 8 minutes and I'll be back. All right, guys, the eggs are done. And what we do, we go over here to vent. And let that vent out for a minute or so, and we'll be back. All right, guys, the pressure is done on this now. Also, another way that you know when the lid is ready to come off, that red tab right there will fall. You will see it fall, you'll hear it fall. And that's when you know it's safe to open the lid. All right, guys, we just turn that bad boy like that. Pull it off. It's gonna have some steam on it, as you can see. And what I'm gonna do now is take my same measuring cup. I'm not gonna measure out any water here. Just gonna put some water in this bowl of ice. I'm going to use my spoon because they might be hot. And let them sit in there for about a good 2 to 5 minutes before you go to working on them. All right, we're going to let them sit there and rest a little bit. And I'm going to get back. All right, guys, I just had an idea. Cut this off. How about that? I want to see how much water was used in those 8 minutes of pressure cooking these eggs. Still got my measuring cup sitting here. You'll see this. I put a little over a cup in there. Get this level, and it barely used a couple ounces in the whole pressure process. That's crazy. Now, I can't wait to see how these eggs turn out. Give me a couple seconds and I'll get back. All right, guys, I let the eggs sit in there for probably about 2 minutes. I'm impatient. Let's see if we got a perfect hard-boiled egg. Perfect egg, y'all. 8 minutes in a pressure cooker. This Ninja bad, I'm telling you. If you ain't got one, you better go get one. All right, I'm about to enjoy my eggs this morning. Y'all have a good one. See you next time.